In the world of automotive legends, one name stands above the rest, Shelby Cobra, and within the realm of Shelby Cobras, there exists a true gem, a rare and breathtaking creature that commands attention and admiration. Ladies and gentlemen, meet the Shelby Cobra 289 Dragonsnake, a legend within a legend. The Dragonsnake, born from the iconic Shelby Cobra 289, holds a special place in automotive history. It was a beast that roamed the tracks, leaving competitors in its rearview mirror and igniting the hearts of car enthusiasts worldwide. But what makes it so incredibly rare? Carroll Shelby said, you see, the Dragonsnake wasn't just another Cobra. It was a street-legal monster, refined and tweaked to deliver mind-boggling performance. We built only a handful of them, each one meticulously handcrafted, pushing the limits of what a Cobra could do. Back in the 1960s, the Dragonsnake proved its dominance by shattering records and capturing the imaginations of racing enthusiasts. With its lightweight frame, enhanced suspension, and a roaring V8 engine, this majestic creature soared to new heights, leaving its tire marks on the pages of automotive history. According to a car collector's statement, owning a Dragonsnake is like having a piece of automotive art. It's a masterpiece that exudes power, beauty, and heritage. These cars are so rare that they become the holy grail for collectors worldwide. Each one tells a unique story, embodying the spirit of Carroll Shelby's vision. The Dragonsnake's legacy endures to this day, captivating the hearts of both vintage car enthusiasts and modern gearheads alike. It's a testament to the passion and craftsmanship that went into its creation, a true embodiment of automotive excellence. So, if you ever find yourself fortunate enough to witness the majesty of a Shelby Cobra 289 Dragonsnake, remember that you're in the presence of one of the rarest and most extraordinary Cobras to ever exist. A legend that will continue to inspire and thrill for generations to come. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey into the world of the Shelby Cobra 289 Dragonsnake. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel to explore more automotive legends. Until next time, stay fueled by passion and keep chasing the extraordinary.